Students, today we are going to discuss our new topic, motion, which is slow or fast. So now we all know about what is motion. Motion is any object which is moving or there is change in position with time is known as that object is in motion. So now here, how do we know which object is moving fast or which object is moving slow? How do we define that? For this, to calculate this, to find this how which object is moving fast or slow, we can use the concept speed. But before knowing the concept of speed, let us fix some distance. We here fixed distance A to B. Now let us take two vehicles as an example. One is bicycle and another is scooter. Now observe these two vehicles, how in what time these two vehicles cover this particular distance. Now when we observe these two vehicles, in what time they cover this particular distance, we can easily find out that bicycle has taken more time to cover this distance and scooter has taken less time to cover this distance. From this we can conclude that vehicle which cover less time, which is scooter here, is moving fast, and the vehicle which has taken large time, more time, is said to be in slow motion. So here what we do, we have fixed some distance and notice the time taken by the two vehicles. In this way we can determine which object is in slow motion or which object is in fast motion. Similarly, we can determine this by fixing the time interval. Let us fix the time interval of 1 hour for these two vehicles. Now the time is fixed. What we have to calculate, what we have to observe is distance covered. Now in 1 hour, the distance covered by scooter and the distance covered by bicycle can be calculated. Now let us say the distance covered by scooter is 100 km and the distance covered by bicycle is 50 km in 1 hour. So which vehicle is moving faster? Scooter is moving faster than bicycle because the distance covered by a scooter is more in 1 hour than bicycle. So here we have two methods to determine which object is moving faster or which object is moving slower, by fixing the distance and observing the time taken, or by fixing the time and observing the distance covered. In this way we can determine which object is moving slow or fast. Thank you.